Okay, so before we actually start with the video, I do have some bad news. So I was working on recording Terra Firma Craft, but the recording software I was using just completely bugged out and I lost like 4 hours of footage, so at this point I don't think I'm gonna be able to actually work with that series anymore because I've progressed quite a lot. I can tell you that I did end up retrieving the stuff that I lost, and I did get into the Bronze Age. I made a chisel and a axe head with some bronze, and I made a saw and a pickaxe with some black bronze, and I also expanded my crops and I even started a mine for tin. However, I never was able to actually mine anything. But yeah, here we are. So this place is filled with just ores. So yeah, this place would definitely be really good for mining. Alright, but anyways, we're gonna start off quickly with some hematite. And we're just gonna go over and up here. So yeah, we see a bit of hematite popping up around the place. Okay, there's the hematite there. We will not be doing galena, and we will not be having any need of copper. Mostly just copper ore. Okay, so we see a lot of different things happening, but currently just this. And let's see a little bit of gold filling in the cracks between the copper. So for the next episode, we will be doing this large island. But for now, I'm just going to be doing this because I'd actually want to focus on something else right now. So, we see a tiny bit of uranium ores. Popping up. But we do see a large amount of silver. In fact, there are huge blobs. So yeah, I guess, maybe we could have, like, some Aztec, like, tribes here. Where they, like, well, maybe not Aztec, but more like, Mesoamerican tribes, where they use, copper, and maybe even some iron, and maybe some bronze as well. But with the abundance of silver and gold, it would definitely be, not different. So yeah. That's what I'm gonna be working on next episode. The rest of the Southern Hemisphere. But really right now I want to work on Mario stuff. Okay. So this is the table of elements for the Mario universe. And you can see a lot of different things. You can see a lot of fake elements, and you can see a lot of real elements. What I mean by fake elements is like they were made up by me, or real elements is they appear in the real world, like something like hydrogen, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, helium. And then some fake ones can be like novonium, luigium, marium, wolmerium, adalladium. Adalladium adalladium is it basically became the foundation for the entirety of the table of elements. Yeah. If we also go ahead and actually check this, I updated it by removing all of the radium. So if we check in here, it's a little bit weird. But yeah, if we check this, we can see, so yeah, we can see that radium normally would be right here. But wait, there's adalladium right there instead. We still do have iridium, but adalladium now replaces iridium. This color is also slightly incorrect. So let me go ahead and fix this. So adalladium actually appears as a metallic blue metal. Kind of like that. So let's go and what the... Okay, hold on. Oh, that was weird. Oh, hardness. That's the problem. Okay, let's put you back right there. 17. But yeah, now this has been updated. I will update it further because we're not just gonna have like iron, coal, tungsten. No, it'd be more like magnetite, carbon ores, native copper, titanium ore, uraninite, yeah, that kind of stuff. So yeah, we're gonna save this, but we're gonna go ahead and check back in here. So, this video will be primarily scientific, so, anybody who does not care about science, I don't know, you can watch it or not. But yeah, this is primarily going to be scientific. I'm also going to duplicate this layer to be so this will show which elements are either real or they are fantasy. Okay, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, so rubidium, I'm gonna have to consult the book for this. Okay. Took me a bit, but I now have the, things. Yeah, that's strontium. Yeah, zirconium, dibonium, molybdenum, ruthenium, palladium, silver, cadmium, yeah, indium. Hold on. Actually, never mind. Okay. Okay. Iodine. And that should be xenon, but with a different symbol. Cesium, barium, lanthanum. Yeah, cerium again. Oh yeah, that's cesium. Praseodymium, neodymium, praseodymium, praseodymium, samarium, gadolinium. Hold on, I shall be back. Gotta go and bring in groceries. Okay, I'm back.
Don't think you're not helping put this stuff away, Gabriel. That's hot. I think that's different.
I'm sorry, but I can't. I'm doing a video right now. I'm being serious. It's scientific. Okay. Some of these have different names, but that is europium, just with a different symbol. Gadolinium, dysprosium, ammonium. If anybody is angry at how I pronounce these, I don't know what to say. William, ytterbium, lutetium,
Okay.
or as it's known in the book, Lutetium X. Hafnium. Okay, that tungsten. Is that? Yeah, that's rhenium. Osmium, iridium.
There's crust on the inside of it though.
Platinum, gold. That one is actually mercuron. Thallium, lead, bismuth, radon.
Don't worry about putting stuff away unless it's like for the cupboard or. Hey, wait, do we want the pasta sauce out or put it away?
Radon.
In the cupboard. Okay.
Francium, estrontium, thorium, uranium, plutonium. Cerium, californium.
I really hate this. broken before I have to put it. I don't know what that is. Oh, look. Salad bag.
And then, hold on. Make sure everything is connected. And there we go. Yeah, and that. So basically, so yeah, black is, they are natural elements. Red, they are man-made elements. Dark green, they are real elements. And dark red, they are fantasy elements.
Oh, wait a minute. What's in here?
So, yeah.
Sketty. Corbin, I found Sketty.
Yeah.
You think it's good?
Most of the heavy elements. Oh, wait.
I don't want the spaghetti.
I accidentally mixed them into the real ones.
Or
With
Sketty.
gas and all.
Sketty? No, chicken.
Yeah, that's Laurentium X.
What? Old as fuck Subway.
Rutherfordium.
What Subway?
But,
Old as
yeah.
fuck. Favorite thing of all time.
And I think that's about
Ooh,
it.
good noodles. Oh, hey,
Yeah.
bagged potatoes.
You can see that there's a pattern where, a lot of the fake, in fact, yeah, well, sorry, a lot of the, man-made elements are also fake elements. The only place where you see real man-made elements are literally here, here, and here. These would also be, these would all be, naturally found. However, in this universe, they aren't. There's no evidence of them being found. But anyways, so what's state? So, yeah. This is the state that is known of these elements. One interesting thing is that it isn't known what form this element takes. However, it is expected to be something of a super solid. And yeah, that's about it for the states. We have gases, we have liquids, we have solids, and then we have super solids. So the number of natural stable isotopes. Basically, do these isotopes appear naturally, and how many of them are stable? So yeah, red means that they have no stable isotopes. And then it slowly goes up in terms of color, with actually silver having 8 and having the most.
Blackberry jam.
A number of unstable isotopes, I have not worked on that yet. And then so palladium being this element, has different reactions with different elements. So electrostatic explosion, what is that? Well, basically it uses its own electrostatic forces and combines them with the other element's electrostatic forces to overcome the strong nuclear force, causing the element to literally explode, which is where it steals its electrons to become stable. And like adamantium,
Yeah.
it isn't radioactive, however it is quite unstable naturally, as it will
Maybe don't care.
yeah, it's quite unstable. So this is what it has to do. Then we have electron tearing. It just rips away the electrons from these elements. Then we have covalent bonding, which is actually both pink and blue. However, the pink ones actually have specific requirements. The blue ones, they can just do it any time. So yeah, you can see like oxygen, phosphorus, lutetium, and then some of these heavier elements. But then, so during the process of making steel, there's a chance that, so all of this stuff that I'm saying is most likely going to be fake. But carbon will go ahead and sometimes bond with iron. And so when adamantium will come in contact with steel, it'll basically forcefully remove the iron before destroying it and then bonding with the carbon. And that's the only way it can bond with the carbon. And in something like uranium, it can only bond at specific temperatures and pressures, such as around 20 billion degrees Celsius and around 10 quadrillion psi, or pounds per square inch. And then about twice that, which is in the core itself, is where pressures get so high and it gets so hot that the planet performs its own planetary fusion and fission as well, though that is rare. And that happens to the uranium, causing the uranium in high enough quantities to form different like chemicals and other things. So if we go ahead and so this one will be known as
Yes. There's nothing wrong with it.
I will fix my spelling later. So up here, this is gonna be chaotic. But
Stuff in containers and trash it. Yeah. Alright.
So after I consult the book,
Yeah.
here we go.
Might want to go to spoon or spatula now.
So it forms a huge molecule
I'm just spoon or spatula.
in this process, which it is a molecule, but it acts like an alloy. And so
It
here,
has to be used within a week of it being unfrozen, and it was unfrozen on Wednesday.
And there's this piece of salmon that was just kind of like in the back of the fridge.
Yeah, I was wondering where that was. That one you can throw out.
Okay, here. Suppose.
It's people.
so yeah, it'll take me a bit. But this molecule is genuinely humongous. So in here, and this is the symbols for each element. They all bond with this one right there. And
Oh god.
you.
Seeing black mold.
And then up here is also another U.
That's why we're cleaning up
And
the
so it isn't just this one.
there, Corbin.
Okay, and then
I hate mold, especially black mold. Just make me ugh. Understand?
so that right
That's why I
there,
made you do it.
and
Rude. I don't want to do it. Okay, all the moldies.
okay,
Moldy's gone moldy.
Look,
What's that? I don't. That's pod. These go away. Bigger container is the thing. This thing. Pod.
yeah, and this isn't even all of it. But for now, we're gonna get the elements in.
What the hell is this? I don't know. I'd say that's small. Do you know what this is?
I had nothing to do with that, so I have no idea.
I'm just gonna throw it out like this.
Okay, so
Grab a spoon.
I'm gonna grab the spatula I used with
and
Good
now
idea. You can reuse it.
because it's not big.
over here.
Get in there.
Okay.
Get it in there. That's what she said.
Can you not? I'm trying to make a scientific video.
Screw your scientific video.
Shut up.
What the? How old are these potatoes?
Throw them away.
If we don't know how long it's been in there, throw it away.
Yeah. Here, let me.
That's why he was asking me. Because I typically know.
There you go.
Yeah,
There
this
we
is.
go.
Let
Goodbye.
me get in that. Okay, so
Toss that. Or let it fall forward. Or let it fall forward. What failed attempt at granola is this?
That's a bag of oatmeal.
Looks like a failed attempt at granola.
When did this Subway get put in the fridge?
since 1774.
Open it up. I don't think this is
Throw that
kosher.
away. Did you say I don't think this is kosher?
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know anything. I'm just a little guy.
Oh yeah, throw this away. This looks like the sandwiches me and Dad got when I left for the summer.
Okay, and then a little bit of that, a little bit of that.
It's safe to assume that it throws away.
That, yeah.
And the thing is, I'm drawing this based off of the book
This is pie.
that I have been writing stuff on.
Mystery meat.
Gabriel, you need to finish up in 20 minutes.
Okay,
And then you're off for the rest of the day.
I'm genuinely just trying to do this.
It's gonna be fun to clean up.
And
Okay.
wow, yeah, this is still a huge molecule. Alright,
Right.
Throw this at you.
let's see.
Why'd you have to dramatically fall?
I tried dodging.
I tried dodging.
Do you know when these grapes were gotten? Give those a good old puff. Do they smell like grapes?
I don't know what that is. Now one of them has like an orange top. Musty, dusty. It's like the start of
Wait,
each.
Corbin.
What?
Grab the grapes. Put the grapes into the
Compost?
compost and put the bag in the trash. The quail don't care if they're a little wilty.
Quail?
The birds.
Yep.
They like food. Keeps them happy.
They like mango.
Oh, anti-diarrhea.
Oh my god, a plastic bag.
Wait, wasn't the compost originally made for like making fertilizer?
It still is.
Yeah.
But
The quail eat them.
quail like to snack out of there.
Guys, look, a plastic bag.
Time to go get
Was these in the fridge? Or was
Less
this off
turtle
the
in
way?
the ocean. Those are for me. Come over here.
Open them up. Okay. I didn't know that they were already in the fridge because I don't know.
Some of us have potty problems, okay?
It's fine. We all have our potty problems sometimes. Ooh, tomatoes.
Yeah, I got a ton.
tomatoes. How many? Oh,
Yes, these do go on
French.
the counter. No, they do not go in
more
the fridge.
French
Yeah, I
fries.
know that. It can mess with their taste.
Oh my god.
Bagels!
We got two kinds.
My favorite thing.
And we already got cream cheese.
I'm gonna clean this closet. What are we doing for dinner?
Clean away energy-filled ADHD kids.
We seem to be missing something.
Whatever floats your float, kid.
A time.
Who opened this box of mac and cheese just to take the cheese powder out of it?
10.
Not me. Definitely not me.
Okay,
Bro,
and then
that's like the
finally,
best part.
eat out.
What are you?
Eat out.
Smell good.
Yep. And this is the large. So, 4 adalladium atoms, 2 uranium atoms, 5 ogassinon atoms, 17 californium atoms, and 14 plutonium atoms, all in one molecule. And it acts like an alloy. And then when it is actually correctly formed at around half the temperatures that this one is formed,
They had crackers and
2 molecules can actually be
some
formed.
leftover like.
So
Hey, Mom. I have a question. So,
we have this molecule.
no. I wanted to know if I could use a little bit of this for lunch.
Please enjoy. Everybody has a problem with the fucking cilantro.
You chopped onion.
Not close enough. Okay. Make pretty decent molecules. So.
I didn't forget what I was gonna do this evening. I didn't forget what I was gonna do this evening.
And all three of these molecules are part of the same
Oh, yes,
family.
yes, I
You don't have to follow the rules.
So it takes about
I'm glad that you remembered.
20 billion degrees Celsius
Even I
and
did
about
not remember. I'm sure I would remember by the time it was that time.
10
I
quadrillion
still enjoy it.
psi to form these two molecules.
About a half an hour before bed.
It takes double that to form this one.
Oh, good. That's not
And these three molecules are resistant. Their melting temperatures are a couple hundred degrees above that of the core of the planet. Speaking of the core of the planet and the planet itself, it's an Earth-like planet that has mainly it has a pretty known thing about the planetary core itself, but it has 4 different moons and may have once have had a 5th moon as well.
But it is the Asian so
This is the only planet that orbits around 2 binary suns, which then those 2 binary suns, so that's an entire solar system that's in a binary relationship with another solar system. And of course this most likely would not appear in real life. However, because Mario he's pulled some strings so that it actually works out. This solar system is entirely stable and can only be affected from outside forces, which he will fix if anything bad happens. But yeah. So each of these have their own names. However, I will have to go ahead and do some stuff for that. However, this will be part 1 of this video, so
Yeah, let me cook.